Cake Mom, we are going to make some vegan chocolate zucchini bread. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and here's Zeta. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So we wanted to bring you another awesome vegan recipe, and what better than adding some vegetables into our baked goods. So we're gonna make zucchini bread, but not just any zucchini bread. It's gonna be chocolate, double chocolate actually. So, as always, the recipe will be down in the description below, but here's everything you'll need. All-purpose flour, oat milk, cocoa powder, canola oil, granulated sugar, agave, flax meal, baking soda, salt, vegan chocolate chips, vanilla, and of course, zucchini. So we're gonna start by adding our wet ingredients to a large mixing bowl. So the oat milk, agave, oil, vanilla, and go ahead and add the granulated sugar. To the wet ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and add our flax meal and then set that bowl aside. Now we're gonna shred up our zucchini. Now you can peel this ahead of time, but it is not necessary. I'm gonna leave the peel on, and we're just gonna shred it on a box grater. Big size. Now we're gonna add in the rest of the dry ingredients and the zucchini. Now we're just gonna stir it until it's all combined. So the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and zucchini. So now we're going to put our zucchini bread batter into some loaf pans, sprinkle the top with chocolate chips, and bake it at 350 degrees for almost an hour, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean.